My favorite meal is here. I'm basic as hell. Steak, potatoes, and asparagus. Let's get to it. Okay, first we boil. Okay, this is self-explanatory. Okay, then we rinse our fried asparagus. I don't know if y'all do, but I do. Okay, then I'm using this extra virgin olive oil, putting it in some pan right here, spreading out my asparagus. These are little skinny kind of asparagus. That's the only kind they had though. So whatever. Adding some sea salt, some garlic powder, that powder to that thing, some onion powder, okay. And then I'm adding this Chop House butter steak seasoning. It just, ooh, it's like you get that butter taste like using the butter, okay. We're gonna put that lid on there, we're gonna put it in the oven, okay. Let's go ahead and get that started right now. That steak, came from Kroger, okay? I'm poking my holes in the steak, okay? These are all the seasons. Meat comes to the family. Parsley, we got chopped butter, the sea salt, onion, garlic. Slap your mammy back here. Turn your ass around. Turn your ass around. Steak seasoning. You know, some black peppercorn, a little bit cayenne pepper. Then y'all gonna see me put the seasoning on there because y'all swear to God, like, Anyway, so that's how I do it. I poke my holes in my steak, season the side first, put it on there, then season the other side once it's in the pan. So y'all see. So I'm just putting my seasonings on here, a little spice, not too much, cause some steak seasoning and stuff. The grillers make it taste like it's from the grill. So I just Then that right there, oh, it's so fire. Like, where has that been all my life? And a little bit of sea salt. I went a little bit overboard. We're just gonna, bitch, no, what the fuck? Anyway, we're gonna put the eye on like 6, okay? We're not trying to burn it. Put a little bit more of that virgin olive oil in there. Some minced garlic up in there just a little bit. And then this lemon and herbs butter, ooh, then you just, kiss your pan with the steak. Oh, then I see the other side. Bam, I told y'all this would be. Then we're gonna flip that steak over. Oh my goodness! It don't take that long for this steak to cook because it's kind of thin. But I've used my steak iron to flatten out some more. Then the potatoes about done. They say we done. Okay, I add a little bit of butter in there. This is how I make my potatoes, y'all. Light sour cream. Okay, this is how I do my potatoes. I don't know how y'all do y'all. Then, baby, try mashing and recording at the same time. It's difficult. It is difficult. We about to have. Look, y'all. This was so hard. I had to come back. I had to come back. I need to have a conversation off camera with these potatoes. Now we're taking that steak again. Ooh, flipping that down. Ooh. Now we adding some Parmesan on our asparagus. I love Parmesan on my asparagus. And I put it back in the oven, but we turn the oven off. So, cause they done. It's a wrap. Then I add some cream cheese in my potatoes. Yes, I do. Cream cheese, just a little bit though. And then look, damn it, stay still. Add some black peppercorn, some chives up in there. Okay, chives, some sea salt, and some bacon bits. Ooh, mashed potatoes. Look at that steak. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, as asparagus, and I plated it. Oh, and there you have it, my favorite meal of the year. I hope everybody's having a good time with their family. I hope y'all eating good. I know I'm the fuck is, period.